Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm gonna show you the beautiful works of nature and the many unseen wonders of outside.
Let's go.
Pretty cool, huh? But you know what would make it a lot cooler, right? If we added a sepia tone and played Lil Wayne.
Okay. Hello, motherfucker. Hey, hi, how you doing? It's Weezy F, baby. Come to take a shit and urine on these toilet bowl bitches. Pussy ass niggas. Stumping on this beat like a motherfucking Sigma. Bad to the gristle. Hat to the rizzle. I'm so official. All I need is a whistle. Bitch named Crystal. Let her suck my pistol. She open up, I'm out, and then I blow her brains out. You ain't met a nigga like me. You probably never will.
See how funny and cuckoo that was? No. And as we hear the beautiful birds chirping on this fine day, we can clearly tell that nature is beautiful. Wait, what am I doing? This. I'm going back to Africa.